Ayan, no? Lalakad ako upside down. Paano nangyari yun? Paano nangyari yan? Oh. May dining room na. Room tour sa upside down. So this is it, Khao Chi Chan marked Buddha on the mountain. I'm gonna check first if there's a drone law here. Kasi dyan lang sa Silver Lake, they don't allow drones. But here I'm gonna check the sign if it's drone friendly. Hopefully, crossing my fingers if it's drone friendly na. Oh. Look at that. Very nice laser edge Buddha. I don't know if there's a zip line there, but you know. Okay, I'm gonna fly my drone now. No sign of any drone banning. Yung Buddha na naka-etch, laser etch yan na Buddha here sa Pattaya. Ang ganda, ang laki. I was able to fly my drone successfully, pero ang hirap talaga makita sa screen because it's 12 noon. Sun is directly above me. I cannot see anything on the field of view of my phone. Pero hopefully I can get a good shot of the Buddha right there. Check it out. Dito kami sa karinderyaan ng Thailand, tapat lang ng Buddha. Ayan yung H Buddha. Across, may mga kainan. Dito na kami parang karinderya style.
Pauna mo na yung alaw ko kwan yan.
Tốt nhất thì em khôn nào mày.
Sarap. Napakasarap talaga ng pagkain ng Thailand. Thank you, Kap. Sarap naman yung karinderya nila. Mamaya, next stop is upside down. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa upside down, of course, with Edna. Siya kaming driver, guide, at photographer. Maasahan na all-in-one na. Yung binili namin dito, yung getyourguide.com. Doon namin nakuha yan. Nilagay ko yung link below, yung voucher. So, ito, papalit na tayo. May maze runner. If you like to check out the maze, here it is.
Ano lang siya, paikot-ikot. Tapos doon, maganda magpa-picture sa taas.
Objective niya, kailangan mo madaanan yung bridge. Okay, ang pinakamadali ay picturean nyo, check nyo yung photo, tsaka kayo mag-maze. Yan ang tip. Nakakahilo siya kasi everything nakaslant kasi slow, slippery, be careful because it's upside down.
Touch.
What? I'm upside down, folks. Look. Wow.
Hindi nakakako.
Look at that. Everything is upside down.
Ganda!
Upside down.
Paano pose?
What? Ganda. Hello! Pwede ka pala mag-slide dito eh. Galing eh. Rocking siya. What are you doing right there? Wait. Hello. Bird's eye view right here. Hello. Hello. But here's the effect. Oh, what? Help. I'm studying. Oh, hallelujah. Hello. Woo. Having a hard time mag-posing dito sa upside down, ano, di ba? Kasi ang hirap mag-conceptualize ng tamang angulo at saka mas marami dapat sa floor. Mas less sa floor, mas marami sa taas. Yun ang purpose. Oh, ayan, tinuturuan sila. Upside down.
Yun, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo.
Huwag kang
Dahan-dahan na.
Upo ka na lang.
Umupo ka lang. Hindi dahan-dahan.
Siseto. I like this. I like this.
Yan.
Di ba sa bintana na lang ako? Oy, Dangel.
Ano?
Tinan niya. Hello! Okay, so tamang angle lang. kailangan nyo. Oh, look at the foodie. Look at the foodie. Right there. I'm walking upside down the house. Oh, nagbabasa tayo. Oh, look at that. Ano ba ang librong pwede makuha dito? Very nice. See? Everything is upside down. Upside down. Pati TV, oh.
Diyan ka sa gitna. Ang ganda ng kuha dyan eh.
Nakataas na.
Yung anak ko ang ganda ng
Ah,
kuha
okay.
dyan.
Sige, okay.
1, 2,
Ang ganda.
3. Isa pa.
Teka, isa pa. Iba naman. Teka lang.
Okay, and na kami dito. So, tip lang is proper angle. More on the ceiling, less on the floor. So, para makuha nyo. Check nyo na yung mga shots namin and it's a very nice concept that they have it here. Pero, pagdating sa labas, everything is normal. Wow. Very big.
Sabi ng mga anak ko nandito.
Oh, ayan oh. Lalakad ako upside down. Paano nangyari yun? Room tour sa upside down. Oh. May sala. May kitchen. Dining room pala. Dining room. Oops. Oh, they even have a TV set. Baliktad yung TV set o ako baliktad? Very nice. Ceiling. They have here. Oh. And they have a vacuum. They have a coat. Have you seen the kitchen? Very nice kitchen right there. They have a nice rep. And the master bedroom right here. Master bedroom. Oh. Right there. May cabinet pa. Okay. I'll go down. Ito talaga siya. Everything seems slanted. And everything talaga lahat slanted talaga. Ang galing. Look at that.
Tayo yung may pati.
Oy!
Ha?
May toilet.
Tsako ka?
Kalat ng toilet nila, oh.
Doon sa ano?
Oh. Ang kalat.
Doon na.
Ano gagawin?
Aray ko. May shower room pa. So, ayan. Study room.
Hindi na siguro. Wag mo na isa.
Study room. A stairway going up. Right here. Oh, see? And they have a nice coffee table here. And last one is the kids' bedroom right here. You see? Train set and baby cradle ba to? And a small play set for the kids. Ang galing ano? Parang siya nakakahilo. Lalo na pag binaligtad ko to. Very nice. Bye-bye, Capcom Cap. We go home.
Diyan mo muna.
There is a big garage here. Pag nahulugan ka niyan, yari.
Saan ba yan?
Ha?
Dito nga.
There's a car right here. Bye-bye. May mini gyro pa sila dito. You'll be upside down if you take that flight simulator. Okay, if you like to try the maze, let's do it here. Knight and shiny armor.
Panik ka din, kita mo lahat.
Okay, that's upside down. In a mini playground. On top of the castle. It's time to go down. Ito yung maze. Right there, oh.
ได้ไหม
เขาจะเอากรอบไหนคะ
เอากรอบนี้
เอากรอบ
แต่เอารูปนี้
เอารูปนี้เอากรอบ
เอากรอบนี้ค่ะ
So that ends the upside down. And look what I have here. Not one, but 2 dragons. I'm born in the year of the dragon. And I like it. Give me that dragon balls right in his mouth. Dragon ball. Bye-bye, upside down. Next stop, Nong Noods. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left. And of course in the lower right. Just click on it.